My name is Zaid. For a long time, I was afraid of failing. Not just a little afraid. Very afraid. I was afraid to try new things. Afraid to speak in public. Afraid to take risks. Because in my mind, failure meant one thing: embarrassment. I thought if I failed, people would laugh at me. People would judge me. People would think I am not good enough. So I chose something easier. I chose to stay comfortable. In school, I avoided competitions. I avoided leadership roles. I avoided difficult tasks. I told myself, I am just being practical. But the truth was different. I was hiding. One day, our school announced a debate competition. The topic was interesting. I had many ideas. But when I thought about standing on stage, my stomach felt tight. My mind said, what if you forget your words? What if you make mistakes? What if you lose? I almost did not register my name. But my best friend said something simple. He said, if you don't try, you already lose. That sentence stayed with me. I thought deeply that night. I realized something painful. I was not afraid of failing. I was afraid of feeling small. But I also understood something else. By not trying, I was already keeping myself small. The next day, I wrote my name on the list. My hands were shaking. Preparation was not easy. When I practiced at home, I made many mistakes. Sometimes I forgot my lines. Sometimes I spoke too fast. But slowly, I improved. Competition day arrived. When my name was called, my heart was beating loudly. I walked to the stage. The lights felt bright. The audience looked serious. For 1 second, my mind went blank. Fear tried to control me again. But I remembered my friend's words. If you don't try, you already lose. So I started speaking. My voice was not perfect. My hands were slightly shaking. But I continued. Sentence by sentence. Idea by idea. I finished my speech. I did not win first prize. But something inside me changed. I felt proud. Not because I won, but because I faced my fear. That day, I learned something powerful. Failure is not the enemy. Fear is the enemy. When you allow fear to stop you, you lose opportunities. But when you try, even if you fail, you grow. After that competition, I started taking more risks. I volunteered in class. I joined group discussions. I tried new activities. Sometimes I succeeded. Sometimes I failed. But every time, I learned something. Now I understand. Failure is feedback. Failure is experience. Failure is growth. The real failure is never trying. Today, I still feel fear sometimes, but I do not let it decide my future. I move forward even when I am nervous, because courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is action despite fear. Final thought. If you are afraid of failing, remember this. Trying makes you stronger. Avoiding makes you weaker. Take the step. Accept the risk. Learn from the result. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep trying new things. And always remember, failure is not the end. It is the beginning of growth.